Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your products key on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can do that, or you can run the download or installation of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. Especially if you have a good PC, you'll not even notice the difference. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, with the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files, any documents, or any apps for you, so don't worry about this side. It will just change Windows and 10 from 11 from 10 into 11. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. So make sure not to delete it if you're having some doubt, or you may want to do it if you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen. Or if you just like Windows 10, and I bet you will like even Windows 11 much better, especially when you get used to it. So as we said in the beginning of this video, is we would like to view our products key on the Windows 11. So how can we do that? Of course, first of all, if you had a Windows 10 already like activated with your products key, you will not need to activate any Windows 11 because it will be automatically activated. So if you want to view your products key, you can just go and open your settings. Of course, you can use this shortcut Windows I, or you can just go and open your settings with your regular way. And once you are here, make sure to select System, which is already selected here per default on the left panel. And here, scroll down a bit until you find this About option. Click on here, and here you will find all the options that you would like to know. Of course, you can copy whatever you want and you can hide them and do whatever you want. Even you can rename your PC, and here you do whatever you want. Of course, you can even like change your products key if you want through this option. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.